day one of a 6-day epic cycling, hiking, kayaking adventure on the east coast of Tasmania. We're with Tasmanian Expeditions, and this has got to be one of the best adventures you can do in Tasmania. It's going to be a crazy ride. We've arrived at St Mary's and we're about to go over St Mary's Pass, which is beautiful. Going to be all downhill all the way to the coast. Day one was awesome, and we end up at the Iron House Brewery, which is even more awesome. It's day two, and we're now about to enter Freycinet National Park. We are coming up to one of the most famous views in all of Australia, not just Tasmania, Australia. It's 1,000 steps to walk down to the beach. It's going to be a pretty fun walk back up, but you do walk through some beautiful forest. Good morning, it's day three. We're going to take out some sea kayaks, paddle into Coles Bay, see a view of the hazards. It's going to be beautiful. Let's go. Good morning, it is day four and we're going to Maria Island. It was a stormy arrival here in Maria Island, but the sun is out, it's warming up quick. We pitched our tents and this is where we're going to be for the next couple of days. This is one of the most special spots in Australia, the Painted Rocks here at Maria Island in Tasmania. Amazing! Good morning, it's day five. We slept in our tents last night, had the best night's sleep. This morning we're going to go on a 6-hour hike to those peaks over there, Bishop and Clerk. Tasmanian Expeditions have put together an amazing itinerary that just encapsulates the beauty of the east coast of Tasmania. From cycling down St Mary's Pass and through beautiful countryside, hiking in extraordinary landscapes, swimming in Winegrass Bay, exploring the history and the nature and the wildlife of Maria Island. It's been an amazing week, and best of all, you get to share it with people from around the world. I'm Esrock. It's been another great week on the Great Australian Bucket List.